Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the bottom right speaker is not working on your 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. So if you're having this issue, then this video is going to address all the issue, so let's get started. So first of all, as you can see in my 17 over here, as you can see, if I go over here like this, you can see over here we have these kind of things. So over here on the right side, you can see we have 4 dots, which means that is a speaker. And over here on the left side, you can see we have 3 dots, even though they look similar, but even though over here in the left side, you can see we have 3 dots, this is actually the microphone, right? So this is what you have to keep in mind. On the 17, this is the microphone and this is the speaker. But this is not the case for 17 Pro and Pro Max. Over here in the 17 Pro and Pro Max, so you have to keep in mind that we have speaker on the left side and we have the microphone on the right side. So the orientation is changed, and that is the thing. So whenever you're using your 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max and you're checking why you're not able to hear any kind of a sound, or because it's actually the microphone. Because the speaker is on the left side, not on the right side, right? Don't get confused. It's all the orientation is being changed. In the 17, we have the speaker here and the microphone here. But in the 17 Pro and Pro Max, we have the speaker here and the microphone over here. So it's been tilted. So that is the reason when you're trying to do, you're not wondering why you're not hearing kind of a sound or any kind of things. It's all because the speaker is here, not here. So you just need to go over here, check on the left side whether you're having any kind of an issue. So that's what it is, and that's what it's all about when it comes to this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.